Do you want to go from zero to a live smart contract on-chain? Well, with SupraCLI tools, you can just do this. You can create, compile, test, and deploy all in one flow without needing to leave the CLI. I've seen too many developers struggle with scattered commands and endless amounts of setup. I'm going to walk through the full cycle of creating a package, compile, testing, and deploying and running functions. Most platforms of deploying a smart contract feels like a maze. You get very confused on where you're supposed to go next. SupraCLI bundles everything together so you don't need to worry about going from place to place. This means you get to stay all in one place. And here is how you do it. Disclaimer, before we do anything, make sure you have your SupraCLI set up. This means you need to create a profile, fund the profile, and then make sure you have everything set up in the background. If you're confused about anything, make sure you go to the previous videos or you check out our docs. First, we need to create a package. This will give you all the necessary files and structure so you can start building. The second thing we need to do is compile the smart contract. This just checks to make sure there isn't any logic errors or syntax errors. This will generate bytecode. The next thing we're going to do is test your smart contract to simulate the execution. This just allows to make sure there's no errors before you run your full deployment. Deploy your smart contract to the testnet so then you can check to make sure your smart contract is working in a live setting. Next, what we're going to do is run the function and verify it on-chain. Lastly, we're going to view a function's data on-chain without having to run any transaction. You just went from end to end, creating a package to deploying your smart contract to running functions and viewing data online. Now it's your turn. Open SupraCLI and start experimenting. Check out all the links below. Thank you for watching and happy coding.